There are different ways to do a school project, which can change with each project or different classes or even subjects. But there are some common steps and useful practices which can help you create a meaningful and an excellent project. Now, let's begin. Procedure to make a project on any given topic. First, main topic. Second, subtopic. Third, data collection or research work. Fourth, execution, which is further subdivided into A. Writing, B. Pasting or making images, figures or diagrams, C. Outlining or decoration work, and finally, fifth, submission of the project. First of all, we have to focus on our topic, which either we have taken or given to us by our teacher. Then we will choose related subtopic or subtopics. For example, if the topic is flora and fauna of Karnataka, we can choose different types of fauna or different types of flora or flora and fauna in Karnataka and many more. Then comes the data collection or research work, in which we collect the information plus images related to our project, which we have mentioned under the subtopics. After which comes the execution of our project, which will be further subdivided into 3 sections. Firstly, the writing of our collected data in a proper way, that is cataloging. Secondly, pasting our collected images, or we can also make figures, diagrams or sketches by our own. Also, we should paste pictures in a beautiful way. And lastly, decoration, or we could say outlining or bordering, to make our project more beautiful. And for that, we should imagine and draw to make project look extraordinary. We could do whatever we want by drawing appropriate patterns, shapes or designs. The most important thing is we should feel and understand the aim of our project in its true words and sense, then try to put our 100% efforts to do all the activities and work with full zeal and enthusiasm. Now, let's see the outcomes, that is our project.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.